Samsung have absolutely blown my mind by smashing a packaging world record. So this is a company that puts so much emphasis into its sustainability, how green it is, that it won't even ship phone chargers with their latest phone devices. I've looked at their website, I'll put it up now. It talks about sustainability and how ethical they are. But this week, I've received a package from Samsung and it's absolutely blown me away. So this is the box I received from Samsung. It's not going to be quite an unboxing video because I've already unboxed it. But if we take this out here, inside this box is another box. So we've got this whole box here just to take this tiny little white box in it. On top of that, open here, we've got some more cardboard. We've got all of this filling and packaging to make sure that this tiny box doesn't move. And we haven't got anything else. So that's fine. I mean, it is a ridiculous size, but let's get rid of that for a moment. But within this box, let's open this up. So we've got this here. We've got a tiny, well, an awful lot of plastic here that we don't need. And inside this box, we've got this tiny little thing here, which is what I needed. So we've got some plastic that seems a little bit superfluous. Let's go back to this here. We've got this huge box now for this tiny little thing here. Almost doesn't work on camera, it's so ridiculous. However, now I do understand, let's take this out here. What I needed, let's get rid of this, let's get rid of this again. What I needed was not even this big. I needed, easiest to take out. Now, because this was with it, I don't actually need it, well, but it's fine for it to come with it. All I technically needed and asked for is I had one of these nibs break. So Samsung, to be fair, the customer service was very helpful and they've sent me a brand new one of these. I don't even know if you can see it, if it's so small. The packaging has come in this. So this, which takes up, I mean, you could fit thousands and thousands, maybe tens of thousands of these in there. Now, even if we say, look, it needs to come in this, it's absolutely minuscule. You could fit probably hundreds and hundreds of these in this box. If there was some way for it to have come in this box, you know, with ideally without this plastic, which seems unnecessary, for a company that is so focused on talking about sustainability, on reducing its packaging, I think for me it shows that it's so much to do with reducing their costs as opposed to them being ethical and sustainable. Otherwise they put it in their whole business, every part of their supply chain, including the parts department who very kindly sent me this. Now I will say, in Samsung's defense, I'm very happy with the products that I got. I think they're fantastic quality and the customer service was very helpful. But to send this or even this in that amount of packaging in this day and age, I find absolutely unacceptable. And I just wanted to put this video out there to let you know, for you to leave in the comments. You know, I'm sure many of you will have had similar experiences. Please share. If you've liked this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I've been Alex. Thanks for watching.